AI is becoming more advanced, and as the time goes by, it's also getting crazier. From creating images, music, to animations, and even movies. You don't want to be left behind by these insane AI tools, right? So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Number 1, text-to-video AI. The first tool on our list is this amazing text-to-video AI called Runway. Just type runwayml.com in the Google search bar and hit enter. Then click Try Runway for free. You can use it on your computer or your phone. By the way, here are the plans they have, and for a free account, you can have 125 credits. Now let's go to their dashboard and select Gen 2 option. From here, you can either upload an image or write a prompt. Before we generate our video, there's an option for you to preview what the image looks like, which is great so that your credits will not be wasted in case you don't like it. There are 4 results that you can choose from, and for this one, I'll choose this and start generating. Now here's what it looks like. Just wow, amazing, right? And so, because I got addicted, here are the other videos I generated. Number 2, Deepfake or funny animation AI. Next up, we have another insane AI that will allow us to swap faces with others and animate images with funny movements. Isn't this mind-blowing? Imagine your face being swapped for someone doing something illegal, or your face being turned into a funny meme. Anyway, this AI is called Reface.AI Unboring. It's really unboring, and you'll find out later. Okay, so when you scroll down through their website, you'll see the swap faces and animate options here. Let's first try the swap faces. Just upload a video that you want to swap faces with and another photo, which is of course the one you'll use to swap the image on the video. So for this one, we'll use Taylor Swift. Here it is.
Hi, welcome to MB Tech Hub, where we share the latest AI tools into...
Not bad. Okay, we'll try another. Let's upload another video and swap the face with Elon Musk. Look at that. It really looked like him. This time, let's try the animate feature. Just click Try It Out and upload your contents here. Then from this side, we can choose what actions we want.
God, why do I have to work? I am sexy!
Perfect. With this AI tool, you can now swap images and create funny videos. Number 3, AI art. We all know that AI art is already better than it already is, but this next tool will make your AI creations even better. This tool is called Clipdrop. Just type Clipdrop AI in Google search bar and hit enter. Click this, and in their website, you'll see a lot of features you can use for. You can generate image using their Stable Diffusion XL, Uncrop image, which is expanding the image for the size you want without using content-aware fill like in Photoshop. Create multiple variants of an image, transforming doodles into real image, removing objects from an image, removing background, adjusting the lighting of your image, upscaling, replacing backgrounds, and removing text. Let's try generating an image and start writing our prompt. And like other AI image generator tool, you can also choose what style you want from here. I think I like the cinematic one, so I'll choose this. Wow, awesome! Now let's try their Uncrop feature. Let's upload the photo I generated from Leonardo and choose landscape format. Click next and let's wait the results. Oh my, I'm already loving this tool. Look at that. They even give 4 variations. Now let's try their Doodle feature. Let me start drawing here. I'm not really good at it, so bear with me, guys. After this, let's write our prompt down here and click generate. Oh my god, I'm speechless. It's so beautiful. Look at these images. I love it so much. So cute. Number 4, AI world. Have you ever imagined a world that you wished existed? If you have, it's time to turn that imagination into a virtual world. Skybox AI, the next AI tool on our lists, will blow your mind. It will let you create your own world and generate a full 360-degree panoramic images. Just type in skybox.blockadalabs.com in the Google search bar. And without further ado, let's start writing our prompt. I want to create a magical forest, so let's do that and choose what style we want, then generate. Whoa, amazing. Let's add a nighttime description and see what would happen. Perfect, just exactly as I want it to be. Before we continue to the last AI tool in our list, I just have a favor to ask. If you enjoyed watching our video today, can you show it to me by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel? That would greatly be appreciated. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. Number 5, AI photo editor. Last but not least, the most insane but amazing AI tool feature of Adobe Photoshop. Yes, that's right. Photoshop Beta has now an AI tool that will turn your boring photo into a mesmerizing one in just a few seconds. Just upload your photo and click any selection tool. For this one, I choose the rectangular marquee tool. And once you do that, a text box where you can write your prompt will automatically appear. You can then start writing whatever you want to generate. For this photo, I want to add a river into it. Look at the result. Amazing, right?